I'm Marissa Haman. Today, our topic is about the 7 communication skills, which is clarity, conciseness, coherence, correctness, completeness, completeness, and courtesy. Through our C's, we will show how using these principles help us communicate clearly, work well as a team, and stay safe. So now, let's begin.
Two group mates walking at the park, busy with their phones, ready for the project.
Okay, I'm ready for this project.
Sana all ready.
See? That's why we need community safety awareness. Even my group mates need instructions.
After the dramatic collision, the whole group finally settles down to start planning their project. This is where the teamwork begins.
Everyone, listen up for 2 minutes. Our project is community safety awareness. So today we assign tasks. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, Mr. Bill. Clear than my future at the moment.
Ma'am, I will make the introduction, keep it short, and straight to the point, no bedtime, story, no plot, please.
Good. Last time your intro had a flashback.
And I handle the research and organizing from cost to effect to solution nice and smooth. No random side quest.
Good. We don't need another detour while you're crushing glory.
Actually, we can want that.
I gather correct and updated information from sources. No fake news, no weird hacks. Just don't get hurt.
Hey, that's my signature advice. Hey, I add an example like if I drill last month, sitidin mo ay marawalang gaya real life na hindi natin.
Hey, imaginary examples are creative. I once imagined I passed my math exam.
And did you pass?
No, that's why it was imaginary.
I'll make the conclusion. I'll add a full summary and a message to the project complete unlike my life decision yesterday.
What happened yesterday?
I did my homework, but I leave it as my own.
Thank you, everyone. I appreciate your cooperation. And if you need help, just ask me politely. No yelling, no drama.
Don't worry, Angela, you did better than most others.
She's the boss! Best leader, except when she's still our snack.
That was one time.
Everyone exits the room, chatting and laughing. Lights remain on, but 2 members remain still fixing their things, completely unaware. Haman and Joel continue organizing their stuff slowly.